Today is an important milestone for disaster preparedness in Palau and across the Pacific. Behind me, regional leaders and disaster management ministers are breaking ground on Palau's new humanitarian warehouse. Once complete, the facility will store essential items such as shelter kits, hygiene supplies, solar lights, and kitchen sets, ready for rapid deployment when disasters occur. The groundbreaking took place alongside the second Pacific Disaster Risk Management Ministers meeting, bringing together Palau's government and traditional leaders, Pacific ministers, and development partners. Vice President Reynolds B. Oilo said the warehouse is part of efforts to strengthen Palau's self-reliance and ensure timely support for affected communities.
With this new Pacific Humanitarian Warehousing Program, we continue to showcase putting our communities first and having a people-centered approach in our national responses.
According to the Pacific community, the warehouse reflects Pacific-led design and decision-making tailored to Palau's specific needs. Officials say the facility will enhance Palau's preparedness and response capacity, ensuring that critical supplies are available when and where they are needed most. This is not only about a new building. It strengthens local capacity, improves response systems, and supports a more self-reliant and resilient Pacific region. Similar warehouses are being set up across the Pacific to ensure faster, coordinated humanitarian support when it is needed most. This project is part of the Pacific Humanitarian Warehousing Program led by the Pacific community, with support from Australia, Germany, Japan, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom. From Palau, this is Malay Tulak.